Alright, let's get into it. You've probably seen the Chirp contour decompression and massage table popping up all over your feed. At nearly $650, it promises at-home relief for back pain and muscle tension. But is it legit, or is it just another wellness scam? I got hands-on with the Chirp contour, and honestly, I was impressed. First off, the build quality feels premium. It's sturdy, weighs about 22 pounds, and yes, it easily slides under your bed when you're done. Setup took less than 5 minutes. No tools, zero stress. Let's talk about the actual massage. The decompression mode is the highlight here. Imagine a gentle stretch running along your spine, like someone lifting the weight right off your back. If you sit at a desk all day or struggle with tight muscles, this is a game changer. You get 3 roller options: soft, contour, and deep tissue. Quick tip: if you're new to massage tables, go easy on the deep tissue roller. It can be intense, especially if your back is sensitive. Customization is another win. I'm about 5'4", but this table adjusts for folks from 5 feet up to 6'5". The neck massager moves, so my taller friends didn't feel left out. Another bonus? It's HSA and FSA eligible. That definitely adds peace of mind when you're dropping this much cash. But it's not perfect. The remote isn't backlit, super annoying if you're trying to relax in low light. And if you're over 250 pounds or have a broader build, the table might feel a bit narrow. So, is the Chirp contour table worth it? If you want something between an inversion table and a pricey massage chair, I say yes. It's a legit home-friendly option for spinal relief. Just make sure it fits your space, your body, and your budget.